Hey everybody, Kent with you. Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Cooking. Today we are doing the Cooking with Kids challenge. Started, I believe, by Josh and Babe. Great channel, check them out. And I saw my buddy CJ did it also. Well, we're doing ours outdoors today, and I want to thank my buddy Red at Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria. The other night he gave me his secret dough recipe. Thanks, brother, I appreciate it. Now, before we go too far, this is the Cooking with Kids challenge. So let me introduce you to Little Dutch, my son Chad. This is going to be who I'm cooking with today. So stick around. We're going to start making our pizza, and you're going to see my man here do most of the work. I'm just going to be helping him out a little bit and taking care of the hot UDS. We are using the UDS loaded with the B&B lump, but no, we don't have any extra wood or anything. We're not smoking. We're just cooking outdoors. So we'll see you back in a few. All right, everybody. We are back. Now, this is a chicken bacon ranch pizza. This is not your typical everyday pizza. So we're going to start out. Chad, why don't you grab the ranch there, spread some on the dough, squeeze a little more. There you go, buddy.
Okay.
Keep going, keep going. Go in the middle a little bit. Okay, that's good enough for now. Now go ahead and take the back of the spoon and spread that all around. So yeah, get that fly off there, son. We don't feed flies for free around here. There you go. Just almost all the way to the edge, buddy. Doing great. I think you got just the right amount. Now make sure everything's nice and smooth. All right. Now you can tell this is not a store-bought pizza dough because of the shape. I am not a pizza maker. That would be my sister, who owns some pizza ranches here in the Midwest. She owns about 6, 7, her and her husband. So get a little more towards that top part, right? Yeah, right there, buddy. All right, that looks great. All right, now go ahead and lay out the strips of bacon on there, would you, buddy? Just turn that over. Perfect. Lay them out however you want on there. There is no wrong way when it comes to adding bacon to pizza. Trust me. Bacon does make everything better. There you go. How's it going? Looking good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Crack that other one up and you can, there you go. Fill in the holes. All right, now grab some of the chicken and just spread that around wherever you want it to. All right? So the bacon I did fry up this morning. The chicken was also grilled. We are using chicken thigh. Just because it'll stay, you know, juicier and not dry out like white meat will. So yeah, I grilled the, seasoned the thighs, grilled the thighs, and then we pulled them. So you let me know when you got enough chicken on there, buddy. Okay, that's looking great, pal. All right, right now the UDS is running about 375. So as soon as we're done putting the rest of the chicken and the cheese on here, we'll bring it back when it's time to go in the UDS. See you in a short. All right, we're back, gang. Pizza's ready and assembled. We're going to put her in the UDS. You think you can do it without burning yourself?
Maybe.
Maybe. Grab it right here, son. Put it right in the middle. Come on. There you go. Straight in the middle. Hey, don't drop it.
Sorry.
Ha. All right, we're going to get this covered up quick.
I haven't done it.
All right, and what Red told me the other night, 15 to 18 minutes or so, he believes for his pie dough to be ready. So we'll bring you back when the time gets closer. Thanks, gang. All right, gang. It's been right at 20 minutes. And let's get this pizza off. Oh my. Wait till you guys see this. Now this part I am not going to let him do because this thing is pretty screaming hot. Now let's just see if I can do it without dropping it. There we go.
Give you the best view of the house. All right?
Let me get this up here so you guys can see it. Excuse me, buddy. Look at that pizza. Oh, look at the color on that. Oh, that's awesome. Good job, little buddy. All right. We're going to go ahead. Watch out, son. This is hot. No, I don't want you grabbing it, buddy. All right. Let me get rid of this here. Sorry about the clang there. I want you to see the bottom. God, I hope you can see the bottom of that crust. I tell you what, I'll show it to you after I cut it. So, let's cut this bad boy up. What do you say?
Figure this out. All right? Never really made it.
Hey. It's too lazy to go in the house and grab the pizza cutter. I'm gonna spin it. It's easier for me. All right, there we go. What piece you want, buddy?
I'm not really hungry right now, so probably the smallest piece, that one.
Okay. All right, now, before he dives into it, let me show you the bottom of that. Nice. Very good. Okay. Let it cool a little bit, buddy, and give it a try. About ready?
Took one to rip the bacon off.
You gotta try more than the bacon, son. So,
I don't know why, but it just seemed like that was awesome.
if you hear any noise in the background, I have my other iPad going, and Marion is cooking live on Robert Roy right now. So, here is a little closer shot of our Cooking with Kids pizza gang. Smells great. Take a good bite. And look up here, and you tell everybody what you think.
What's up, man? Thanks for joining.
It's hard to hold on to.
Still a little hot. Here, do it like they do in
Tell the sun is
Chicago and New York. You slide it up like that, and then you take a bite off the end.
Hey, General Diamond. Hey, you guys did awesome last night on your live feed. Good job.
Looks a little warm yet. Get after it, buddy. Come on. Yeah, boy. How is it? There we go. Thumbs up from Little Dutch himself. So, all right. That's what we have for you, gang. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate your support. And yeah, he's pulling double duty. We're going to sign off now because it is starting to rain. Have a great weekend, everybody. Love you. Be safe.